Hello class, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to find both of the first order partial derivatives of a function. Let's begin. So for each function, find the partial derivative with respect to x and the partial derivative with respect to y. Then evaluate the partial derivative with respect to x at the coordinate 3, -1, and evaluate the partial derivative with respect to y at the coordinate -2, 0. So let's start with the partial derivative with respect to x. So this implies that y is a constant, or y is a coefficient. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite the function so that all of the constants and coefficients are pink. So in the first term, -4y is the coefficient and x is the variable. In the second term, 6y cubed is a constant. And in the third term, 1 is a constant. And so now we are ready to take the partial derivative with respect to x. And since -4y is the coefficient of x, the derivative of this term with respect to x is -4y. The second term, 6y cubed, is a constant, so that derivative is 0. -1 is a constant, so that derivative is also 0. So the partial derivative with respect to x is -4y. And now we can evaluate the partial derivative with respect to x at the coordinate 3, -1. And that is going to be -4 times -1, which is 4. Okay, now let's determine the partial derivative with respect to y. And this is going to imply that x is a constant or x is a coefficient. So I'm going to rewrite the original function so that all of the constants and coefficients are green. So in the first term, -4x is the coefficient of y. In the second term, 6 is the coefficient of y. And in the third term, 1 is a constant. Okay, so now we are ready to take the partial derivative with respect to y. And in the first term, the -4x is the coefficient of y. So the partial derivative with respect to y is -4x. Next, 6 is a coefficient of y cubed. And the derivative of y cubed with respect to y is 3y squared. And the derivative of 1 is again 0. So the partial derivative with respect to y is negative 4x plus 18y squared. And now I'm going to evaluate this partial order derivative at the coordinate negative 2, 0. So I'm going to substitute negative 2 in for x, and then 0 in for y. And then this is going to just equal 8. And we are done.